respected dignitaries, students, parents, and my colleagues. Very good morning to one and all present over here. Let me first congratulate all 12th grade students for their grand success in HSC board examination. It's a pleasure for me to introduce Dr. Vijaya Musande, Vice Principal, Javala Nero Engineering College, Aurangabad. She is also working as Head of Computer Science and Engineering Department. Having more than 24 years of teaching experience and more than 5 years of research experience, currently she is playing a vital role to manage administrative responsibilities and educational aspects of JNEC. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Deepa ma'am. That was very generous introduction. Good morning, engineering aspirant students and parents. I warmly welcome you to this webinar about Jawaharlal Nehru Engineering College, JNEC, a constituent college of Mahatma Gandhi Mission University. Our esteemed professor, Professor Velurkar sir, rightly mentioned the 5 C's the student should look while seeking admission or while taking admission in any college. I shall briefly deal with the following key points. Mahatma Gandhi Mission Trust, established in the year 1982 on the Gandhian philosophy, education is for all, and its core is character building and getting students future ready. In 2019, MGM Trust established MGM University as first private university in Marathwada region at Aurangabad, having following faculties: Faculty of Basic and Applied Sciences, Management and Commerce, Performing Arts, Social Science and Humanities, Faculty of Education, and Faculty of Engineering and Technology, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Engineering College. 4 decades of academic excellence in technology and design, Jnsc flagship institution of MGM Trust. Faculties are core strength of any academic institutions, and we have 186 faculty with 38 PhD and 7 faculty patents, authored numerous books, and working on various research projects by UGC, DST, providing consultancy services. Our college is fully automated and integrated ERP. When I say fully, it's complete end-to-end automation through ERP system, which can be monitored by students, parents, faculty, and administration. JNSC programs are approved by AICT and Council of Architecture. We have A grade by NAC, ISO certified, and ranked 2nd in Maharashtra and 5th in India by All India Scholarship Engineering Entrance Examination Test in 2020. Jawaharlal Nehru is the engineering college, is the only college featured in India Today, ranking for top engineering college in the Marathwada region. What makes JNC unique? Its industry-oriented objective curriculum, IRC, Innovation, Incubation and Research Center, to keep pace with rapid technology advancement in all disciplines of engineering. MGM University has established unique IRC equipped with latest cutting-edge software and hardware. We have 30 plus MOUs with eminent industry to groom corporate-ready engineers. Collaborations with National Technical Institute. We have a nodal center for IIRS, Dehradun, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, subsidiary of ISRO. Nodal Center for Virtual Labs, spoken tutorial from IIT Bombay. We have 15 students chapter of national professional bodies such as IEEE, CSI, Computer Society of India, IST, IIIE, IET, and last point, 15,000 plus alumni globally spread. Their entrepreneur club helps our current students for grooming themselves. As Velurkar sir has rightly mentioned, curriculum design. We have designed our curriculum focused on 21st century. IEEE curricula magazines, AICT, All India Technical Education's current trends of India. Based on this, taking the needs from all stakeholders, involvement of our student, industry person, and various academicians from our India, representing an IITs, NITs, were part of our curriculum design process. While designing this curriculum, all of you are aware, today it is outcome-based education. When we say outcome-based, it is a student-centric curriculum. Before studying any course, any subject, some goals are specified. And while teaching and assessment, whether we have achieved our goals, that is called as outcome. And I can share with you, since 2012, JNSC is implementing outcome-based education, and we have evolved in a strong outcome-based curriculum system. We have given a focus on blended learning. Blended learning, online, offline in classroom, online, the Coursera courses designed by various professors from MIT, Stanford, as well as NPTEL videos. We have a campus subscription, and we encourage our students to go for blended learning. Our syllabus is designed, or I can say our infrastructure is designed accordingly, or we have made change with the integrated classroom and practical room, so that we can focus 60% things practically will be performed by student and 40% theory. 6-month internship program is a part of our curriculum. This is possible because of our MOUs with various industries, which has assured us that we will be able to provide 6-month internship program very well. Flexible credit system, open electives and professional electives designed in consultation with industry experts reflects a current industry needs, and that's why we call this choice-based credit system. We are offering major and minor specialization degrees. Let me tell you about major and minor. If a student takes admission in engineering BTech Computer Science Engineering program, after second years with a good CGPA score, and he wished to have a minor specialization in mechatronics or VLSI offered by electronics branch, he can complete his minor degree as per his choice. JNSC has a unique ecosystem to develop value-driven professional. Our educators imbibe these values in students through various events. We reinforce these values through our discussions and dialogues with our students. Creative pedagogy is the old legacy of JNSC since its inception, and it reflects development of logical and lateral or creative thinking capabilities of a student through our thoughtfully designed initiatives such as Skill Development Lab, Ready Engineer Program, Tinkering Lab, and Exploration Lab. JNSC has taken unique initiative for training the student in a simulated industrial problem-solving scenario from the very first year of engineering curriculum, known as Exploration Lab. The first year students from different disciplines, from chemical, civil, mechanical, coming together on various needs statements, targeting various employment domains, example, office, home automation, environmental monitoring, robotics, drone making. Student projects, prototypes are exhibited through our Ankur project exhibition and evaluated by industry experts, empowering students to be passionate about learning and growth through research, skill, and outcome-based pedagogy. Physics and mathematics forms the foundation of any engineering discipline. At MGM University, we have established APJ Abdul Kalam Aerospace Science Center to provide practical exposure to students about first principles of these courses. As I mentioned about Innovation, Incubation and Research Center of JNC, a separate initiative to sow seeds of startup nurtured by its unique industry collaboration. MSc Software USA, the international leader in simulation software and services, has collaborated with Jnsc to establish an advanced center for reverse engineering lab, rapid prototyping, ADAS, advanced driver assistance system. All of us are aware about driverless car, unmanned aerial vehicle, that is drone lab. We are aware drone pictures, drone things, and that lab is also available. And industry recommended advanced simulation software are the part of this. Facility established in collaboration with MSc at Jnsc, Hexagon 3D scanner for reverse engineering, ADAS, all this simulation and control system possible with the various softwares, Nastran, Adams, Semufact, manufacturing process simulation for metalworking industry. To mention few, factory automation setup mechatronics and industry 4.0, 6-axis welding robo. Andres Hauser has sponsored a lab. One of our alumni, who is now a GM of our Asia Pacific area, has sponsored Andres Hauser Flow Tech Measurement System Lab, and in collaboration with Aurangabad unit of Andres Hauser, our students are visiting regularly and getting the guidelines from them. BMW Engine Training Lab, Advanced Industrial Automation Mechatronics, Industrial Fluid Power Industry 4.0, E-Vehicle and Computer-Aided Integrated Manufacturing Lab in association with Christiani Sharpline, Technical Training Private Limited, Germany and SS Sigma Pune. JNC offers a 360 career map. Be a trendsetter and learn what society needs today. In automotive, aerospace, medical, machinery, multidisciplinary culture, we are all aware, IRC will provide a multiple career ladder to you. We have a MOU with Tech Mahindra and Tech Mahindra Innovation Lab, known as Makers Lab. JNC is the first college, or first in Marathwada region, to set up this Makers Lab, which is Innovation Road Ahead. We are working, our students of third year, currently working on ongoing in their internship project on autonomous level 2 vehicle, agri-tech. There one more area, that is agriculture technology. They have created a Darpan app for farmers. Few of our students contributed. The app helps the farmers to predict with Panchang. Earlier, now we are saying weather prediction, but earlier they used to refer Panchang, and the same thing innovatively Tech Mahindra has involved. And with the help of our Panchang, they are predicting weather. AI-based chatbot, virtual personal assistant, and another very special field, space. I will mention space because CSC department is having a special satellite image projects going on. Myself and my colleagues have worked on these areas, that is multispectral image processing, and these satellite images are predicted through our image processing curriculum and software. In Makers Lab, our students are getting known to this technology, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, business intelligence, neuroscience-inspired AI, augmented reality, Internet of Things, robotics, cultural mixings of computer science, IT, and MCA applications. We develop patent digital solution for universal health, and we are a part of Makers Lab, working along with Tech Mahindra professionals. I would like to tell you our Global Industry Connect. As I already mentioned, MSc Software India's first technology excellence center set up with collaboration with MSc Software Hexagon, BMW Lab under Skill Next program of BMW India, Flowtech Measurement Lab by Indershausen Plus, Swiss-based company, and we are equally locally connected because Aurangabad is having a good industry setup. We are active members of MASIA, Marathwada Association of Small Scale Industries and Agriculture, CMI, Marathwada Zonal Council, Marathwada Environmental Care Cluster Initiative, and our investment in Devgiri Electronics Cluster, Rucha Industries, Remsen, and CPET, that is Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology. For any college, its knowledge resource, that is library, plays a very important role. Well-stocked library of 77,625 plus books, research paper, and e-journals. Members of DELNET to Access Library across India, National Digital Library Access, Central Computing Center. In COVID, we have experienced the importance of digital, and I can say this Central Computing Center providing the facility to entire campus under Jnsc. We have 1,500 plus computers in our labs, as well as we have a central computing lab with 200 computers in under one roof. With latest configuration, we have advanced servers at data center, NPTEL video libraries, learning management system configured by our faculty, Moodles for students and faculties. And in this campus, we have 500 plus CCTV cameras for surveillance, Wi-Fi equipped premises with 1 Gbps internet connectivity, advanced network 5G. Yes, we do provide accommodations, a safe, secure, homely stay, discipline, but at the same time fun or your second home. We are having a very good infrastructure, well furnished 5 auditoriums to organize our various technical events, conferences with capacity ranging from 100 to 1,000 people. The sport facility is an integral part of educational activity. I agree with Velukar sir. Yes, sir, that is important. To keep our students physically healthy and mentally fit, MGM has developed a huge sports complex on a plot area of 25 acres, having cricket stadium of 20,000 plus capacity, swimming pool complex, gym and fitness club, football ground, shooting ranges, badminton courts, tennis court. Numerous tournaments are being arranged throughout the year. State level competition, national level competition, and very important event, that is MGM Olympics. All campuses of MGM Trust coming together and participating under MGM Olympics. And we encourage our students equally for sports. As one of the very important thing mentioned by Sir, career. Dear student, we do take care of your placement, but let me tell you, the curriculum which we have designed, keeping in mind a 21st century needs, we want our visionary, trustee, and everyone is interested, are more focused in transforming engineers into entrepreneurs. For that, we are providing all different kinds of training. Our EDP cell, Entrepreneur Development Cell, for guidance and incubation of startups plays a very important role. And as I have mentioned, our alumni, which is our asset, they are various successful industrialists, help you or guide you through our alumni entrepreneur club. Parallelly, we have taken general and technical aptitude training as a part of our regular curriculum. We have Institute of Indian and Foreign Languages, where we are providing trainings for English, German, French, and different languages. And we are arranging seminars for your IELTS preparation, GRE, TOEFL. But very important thing I want to mention here, GATE guidance is available, but at the same time, in our teaching learning, we include the requirement of GATE once the student appear GATE examination in final year. In our OBE system, we are taking care that students are getting prepared for their GATE examinations, which will help them for their public sectors undertakings, IAS, and higher studies. Student can opt for out of India, even in India, in IITs, NITs, and we have a very good number of students going for that. We promote research culture at the same time. Let me come to placement. Yes, we do have a major recruiters, and for many branches or many disciplines like computer science, IT, MCA, electronics, we have more than 70% placement. Our major recruiters, Tata, Johnson and Johnson, Okhart, Endershauser Plus, Mahindra, Vodafone, Capgemini, Bosch, from all branches. We have a nodal center for Wipro NLTH, that is National Level Talent Hunt. TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, has accredited JNC as a center for TCS campus recruitment process in Marathwada. Many times in my presentation, I have talked about our global alumni network. Really, we are proud of our alumni. 15,000 plus global alumni network, building professional network, sharing technology, mentoring current students, which helps us keep ourselves with the current technology. Equally important, events of JNC. TEDx, JNC in Marathwada region, we have started. JNC is the first college. We know how this co-curricular and extracurricular activities build your courage and confidence and creativity in you. All that JNC has. We have Swayambhu Technical Convention every year. NASA, National Association of Students of Architecture, NSS, National Service Scheme, Razmatas, our annual social gathering, International Science Day, and Anubandha Alumni Meet. We have other faculties which are part of our MGM University, and students are getting exposure. So this slide is saying eco-cultured campus interviewing technology, arts, culture, and morals. In arts, filmmaking, photography department, journalism department, radio community center, students are getting exposure to all this. I would like to mention here, we have 15 hobby clubs, and this hobby club is possible because under MGM campus, we have different units. We have a wildlife, enjoy colorful and throbbing life at JNC campus that offers limitless opportunity to explore your latent talents. This was all about JNC, which I have mentioned. Apart from regular labs or regular curriculum, we have mentioned what unique we offer. But let us see what programs we offer under UG and PG. Here I would like to give you a brief idea about PERA. How will be the education in this COVID-19? Education shall continue in all days. Right now in Aurangabad, if you are aware, so it will be only online. But once local administrative permits, college visits being in a small batch on allocated days in a week, maybe 2 days in a week. Online teaching through our e-learning and digital platforms, micro batches for practical sessions, use of technology-enabled assessment tools for student performance, learning management system to track the progress of student and activity monitoring, online platform for institute, teacher, parent, and student interaction. Thank you everyone for your patient hearing. Hope I have just given you information about what we are in this young university we are providing it under Jnsc. If you have any doubt, you can visit our website MGM University ac.in. You can also go for Jnsc.direct for engineering, jnsc.org.